CCF Territorial Ish Kumar ji, Conservator of Forests Prasad Rao in Sipai Jala district is a shining example of what we can achieve. Through the Bio Village 2.0 initiative, 64 families transformed their village through renewable energy, organic farming, and sustainable practices. पहले अपना है तो उसका प्रॉब्लम्स बहुत होता है. अभी केरला में अपन देखे हैं जो ट्रीज उसका नेचुरल ट्रीज है उसको डिस्टर्ब करते तो फ्लड्स आते हैं. तो वैसे ही जो एरिया फ्लड एरिया में होते हैं उसके लिए अपन कॉन्शियस भी रहना है. जो ट्रीज वो रूट्स जो है वो रूट्स स्प्रेड होके एरोजन को वो बंद कर सकते हैं. तो वैसे ट्रीज और वैसे इसमें अपन कॉन्सेंट्रेट करके उसको प्रोटेक्ट करने का जरूरी है. Climate vulnerability. Tripura locates in the eastern Himalayan foothills is increasingly experiencing the adverse effects of climate change on our predominantly rain-fed smallholder agriculture system. Our farmers face erratic rainfall, rising temperatures and delayed monsoon onset, all of which impact our key crops, rice, pineapple and rubber. The third challenge is air quality. When we think of pollution, we often think of metropolitan cities, but recent data reveals a concerning trend for our state also. Even more alarmingly, the Assam Tripura airshed has emerged as a region with year-round air quality challenges. पर डिपेंड नहीं होते थे. हर गांव में सेल्फ सफिशिएंट होता था. कपड़े से लेकर खाने तक कोई बाजू या दूर जाके कुछ खरीदने का ज़रूरत नहीं था एक्सेप्ट साल्ट. साल्ट के सिवाय सब कुछ अपने इसमें होता था. कॉटन होते थे, कॉटन के हिसाब से शर्ट अपना पहनने का क्लॉथ बनाते थे. ऑयल होते थे, ऑयल गांव में ही अपने सीड से निकालते थे. वैसा दूसरे के ऊपर दूसरे विलेज के ऊपर डिपेंडेंस नहीं था. With support from the Japan International Cooperation Agency, the Sustainable Catchment Forest Management Project is being implemented across 7 districts covering 36 forest ranges and 16 forest subdivisions, forming 450 giant forest managements. On the 28th July, we are reminded of a simple yet profound truth. A healthy environment is the foundation of a stable society and a thriving economy. This day calls upon each of us to adopt eco-friendly practices, reduce our carbon footprints, and preserve the rich biodiversity of our planet. Tripura, this call resonates with particular urgency, for we are blessed with natural wealth that is both our inheritance and our responsibility. We gather here in Agartala at the heart of a state blessed with extraordinary natural wealth. Tripura's forests are not merely green cover, they are the lifeblood of our state. With almost 1.5 million hectares of forest forming a vital part of our rural economy. These forests provide livelihood to our significant tribal population and forest department communities. Forest degradation compels many to depend on shifting cultivation, which increases soil erosion risks on hill slopes, especially in upper catchment areas. This is not only degrades our forests but also reduces the capacity of irrigation facilities and decreases across to drinking water in rural communities.
And had the Forest Force Tripura to take the honor ourselves that nature is our greatest asset and it is our duty to protect it. On behalf of the Forest Department, Government of Tripura, I extend here to welcome everyone. I now invite Shri Prasad Rao Vadarappu sir, IFS CEO and Member Secretary, Tripura Parks and Garden Society, to deliver I take the honor to রয়েছেন শ্রী প্রসাদ রাও বদরপ্পু স্যার।
He will do.
আপনাদের কোনো প্রোগ্রাম না তুমি এটা নাও না
সবাইকে নমস্কার। I take this opportunity to
শর্টকাট ডুয়ালে সেটা পারলা না আমি তো ডুয়ালে তোমার কাছে নেই রাইট সাইডে ঘুরে আসুন।
I would like to request all of our respected dignitaries and honorable governors sir to take a part privilege to have all of you on this occasion. We have Parks and Garden Society today. We are honored and privileged to have with us today Shri Indrasena Reddy Nallu, Honorable Governor of Tripura, as our chief guest. Auspicious occasion, let us pause and celebrate our deep bond with nature and sustainability. গাছের চারায় জল সিঞ্চনের মাধ্যমে soil and wildlife. Tripura is blessed with rich forest cover. Through initiative এর মধ্যে উপস্থিত আছেন ডক্টর কে শশী কুমার, IFS, Chief Conservator of Forest Territorial. Let us all now take a pledge together for nature conservation. We now proceed to the dais for the formal reception and felicitation of our Honorable Governor Sir and
দেশের স্বাদের আনন্দ লংতরায় রান্নায় তোমাকে চাই।